Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video, we will review the top 10 best cordless reciprocating saw available on the market today. We compared pricing as well as features to come up with this guide. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, please check the links in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell for the latest updates. So, without taking more of your time, let's jump right into it. When it comes to choosing the best cordless reciprocating saw, the market is packed with options that cater to different needs, preferences, and budgets. After trying out several of the top contenders, here are the 10 best cordless reciprocating saw that truly stand out. Greenworks 24V Brushless Reciprocating Saw. The Greenworks 24V Brushless Reciprocating Saw stands out as a smart, budget-friendly choice for DIYers who want solid performance without paying Pro Tool prices. Powered by a brushless motor, it delivers up to 2,700 strokes per minute with a 1.13-inch stroke length, which is more than enough for everyday cutting tasks around the house. While it doesn't include orbital action and isn't designed for extreme demolition jobs, it handles common materials like wood, metal, PVC, and cement board with confidence. At just 6.1 pounds bare, 7.8 pounds with a 4.0Ah battery, the saw feels lightweight and easy to control, making it especially comfortable for longer projects or overhead cuts. Its 18.3-inch length keeps it compact enough for tight spaces, yet stable enough for straight, controlled cuts. What really makes this saw shine is the value. Priced at just under $100 for a complete kit, you get the tool, a 4.0Ah battery, charger, and starter blades right out of the box. Finding a brushless reciprocating saw from a reputable brand at this price point is rare, which makes the Greenworks 24V an excellent option for homeowners and weekend remodelers looking for reliable performance without overspending. Festool RSC18 Reciprocating Saw. The Festool RSC18 Reciprocating Saw represents Festool's growing push into mainstream construction tools, delivering a premium, highly refined cutting experience aimed at professionals who value control and precision. Powered by a brushless motor, it reaches a maximum stroke rate of 3,000 SPM with a 1.25-inch stroke length, and the addition of orbital action allows for faster, more aggressive cuts when needed. A 2-speed selection switch combined with variable orbital intensity gives users excellent control across wood, metal, and demolition tasks. Festool also includes thoughtful features like a lever-style blade release with active ejection, reducing downtime during blade changes, and a shoe-mounted dust port adapter, which helps improve job site cleanliness when connected to extraction. At 9 pounds bare, the saw feels solid without being overly fatiguing, thanks in part to Festool's advanced vibration control and class-leading ergonomics. As expected, build quality and balance are outstanding, making extended use more comfortable than many competitors. However, this level of refinement comes at a cost, with pricing significantly higher than most reciprocating saws in its class. For users already invested in the Festool ecosystem, or those prioritizing premium performance and comfort, the RSC18 is a compelling option, but it's best suited for professionals fully committed to the Festool platform. Skil PWR Core 20 Brushless RS5884. The Skil PWR Core 20 Brushless is clearly aimed at DIYers who want solid performance without paying pro-grade prices, and overall it delivers respectable value for home use. In testing, it earned 57 points, landing mid-pack, with cutting speeds that were noticeably slower than top competitors, especially in tougher materials like cast iron, where it failed to finish the cut. That said, for common tasks such as PVC, clean wood, and wall assemblies, it gets the job done reliably, even if it's not the fastest. Where this saw really shines is comfort and usability. Its lightweight design and excellent vibration control make it much easier to handle during overhead cuts or in tight spaces like crawl spaces, reducing fatigue during longer jobs. At just 6.3 pounds bare, it feels nimble compared to heavier reciprocating saws. However, the lack of selectable speed control and a rafter hook limits its flexibility, and it's not ideal for frequent thick metal cutting. Still, for DIY home repairs, remodeling projects, and general demolition tasks, the RS5884 offers strong comfort, decent power, and impressive value at its price point, making it a smart choice for budget-conscious users who prioritize ease of use over raw cutting speed. Ryobi 18V1 Plus HP Brushless PWRCore. The Ryobi 18V1 Plus HP Brushless proves that Ryobi's HP Brushless lineup has matured into a serious contender, closing the performance gap with brands like Rigid in key tool categories. In testing, this reciprocating saw delivered solid, dependable results across most common materials, showing noticeable improvements over earlier Ryobi generations. While its cast iron cutting speed lagged behind the competition, its performance in PVC, clean wood, and mixed wall materials was more than adequate for everyday demolition and remodeling tasks. The standout feature is its lightweight design, just over 8 pounds with a battery installed, which significantly reduces user fatigue during overhead cuts or extended use. This makes it especially appealing for handymen, property maintenance teams, and committed DIYers who need a capable saw that's easy to maneuver and comfortable to use. Although the lack of orbital action, variable speed control, and an adjustable shoe limits its versatility for heavy-duty demolition, the overall value is hard to ignore at its price point. For users who prioritize portability, affordability, and compatibility with Ryobi's massive One Plus ecosystem, this saw is a smart and practical choice that handles most renovation and repair jobs with confidence. DeWalt 60V Max DCS389. DeWalt 60V Max Cordless Reciprocating Saw delivers dependable, all-around cutting performance powered by its high-output FlexVolt battery system, making it a reliable choice for demanding job site tasks. Across a range of materials, including PVC, clean wood, wall assemblies, and cast iron, the saw posts respectable mid-pack results that confirm its reputation as a capable workhorse rather than a class leader. Its robust build and consistent power output help it stay competitive, especially for users already invested in DeWalt's 60V ecosystem. That said, the tool shows its age when compared to newer, feature-rich competitors. The absence of selectable orbital action limits its efficiency in wood-cutting applications, while higher-than-average vibration can lead to increased fatigue during extended use. Additionally, the lack of variable speed control, an adjustable shoe, and a rafter hook makes the saw feel somewhat stripped down for its premium price point. While these omissions may not bother professionals who value simplicity and durability, they do hold the DCS389 back from topping performance rankings. With improved vibration control and the addition of orbital action in a future update, DeWalt could easily transform this solid performer into a category standout. Makita 40V Max XGT GRJ02. The Makita 40V Max XGT GRJ02 reciprocating saw stands out as an exceptional performer, earning a rare perfect score thanks to its dominant balance of power, precision, and refinement. Across demanding real-world tests, it consistently delivered top-tier results, claiming first place in tough materials like 4-inch PVC and 3-inch cast iron while remaining highly competitive in wood and multi-layer wall cutting. Its 3000 SPM stroke rate combined with a long 1.25-inch stroke gives it aggressive cutting speed without sacrificing control, and the orbital action adds versatility for demolition or clean cuts. One of its most impressive highlights is vibration control, tied for best in class, which significantly reduces user fatigue during extended use and makes the tool feel more refined than many competitors. Makita also includes a full feature set that professionals expect at this level, reinforcing its premium positioning. That said, the GRJ02 is heavier than average and comes with a higher price tag, especially when paired with batteries and charger. Still, for users who prioritize performance, durability, and comfort over cost and weight, this saw delivers elite results. In the crowded cordless reciprocating saw market, Makita's 40V XGT GRJ02 confidently earns its reputation as the best overall option for demanding professionals. Metabo HPT 36V CR36DA. The Metabo HPT's 36V reciprocating saw narrowly missed the top spot, but its performance proves it's one of the most capable cordless recipe saws available today. Delivering a max stroke rate of 3000 SPM with a 1.25-inch stroke length and orbital action, it excelled in demanding cutting tests, finishing second place in PVC, clean wood, and wall sandwich cuts while remaining highly competitive against leading rivals like Makita. Although its cast iron performance lagged slightly behind the leaders, the saw truly stood out in vibration control, tying for first place and offering exceptional comfort during extended use. The tool's hybrid capability is a major advantage, as it's the only model in the group compatible with an optional AC adapter, allowing seamless corded or cordless operation. While it is heavier than average and uses a shaft-mounted blade release that may not appeal to all users, its strengths far outweigh these drawbacks. Competitive pricing, combined with Metabo HPT's lifetime warranty, significantly boosts its overall value. For professionals seeking a powerful, smooth, and versatile reciprocating saw that delivers premium performance without premium pricing, the CR36DA remains one of the smartest buys on the market. Bosch 18V Brushless GSA18V 126. Bosch has significantly improved its cordless reciprocating saw lineup with the 18V Brushless, building on the success of the previous Bosch 18V model. This new version delivers noticeably enhanced cutting performance, making it a standout in its class. In testing, the saw performed well across a variety of materials, excelling particularly in cutting cast iron, where it achieved top marks. It also demonstrated solid speed on PVC and wood, showing its versatility for demolition, renovation, and general construction tasks. One of the standout features is its vibration control, which is among the best in its category, allowing users to work comfortably for extended periods without excessive fatigue. Kickback control adds another layer of safety, giving users more confidence during demanding cuts. On the downside, the shaft-mounted blade release can be cumbersome compared to more accessible systems, and Bosch does not currently offer a kit version that adds extra value for buyers who might want a bundled option. Despite these minor drawbacks, the GSA18V 126 is a robust, high-performing tool that integrates seamlessly with Bosch's 18V battery platform. For anyone already invested in Bosch's ecosystem, this saw provides a reliable, efficient solution for a wide range of cutting applications. Hilti Nuron 22V SR6-22. The Hilti Nuron proves itself as a highly capable reciprocating saw, particularly for heavy-duty demo and construction work. While it lacks selectable orbital action and speed control, it still delivers impressive performance across a variety of materials. In testing, it achieved a strong fourth-place finish on clean wood, demonstrating smooth and efficient cutting despite the absence of orbital boosting. Its cast iron performance is exceptional, ranking at the top of our tests, and it handles wall sandwich cuts and PVC efficiently as well. Weighing 6.9 pounds bare and 9.8 pounds with attachments, it is reasonably balanced for extended use, and Hilti's optional dust collection and material stabilizer accessories help enhance precision and safety on site. The tool's robust 18.5-inch build and high maximum stroke rate of 2,600 SPM provide solid power and control, making it versatile enough for a wide range of cutting tasks. Of course, the $359 price tag reflects its premium status, but this is mitigated by Hilti's reputation for durability and its impressive 20-year warranty. For professionals in commercial construction or serious DIYers seeking reliability, precision, and long-term performance, the Nuron 22V SR6-22 stands out as a dependable and high-performing option despite a few missing convenience features. Milwaukee M18 Fuel Super Sawzall 2722. The Milwaukee's M18 Fuel Super Sawzall is an elite tool, standing out as one of the few saws to achieve top marks across all our performance tests, alongside the Makita. Its cutting power is exceptional, delivering fast, precise results on materials ranging from PVC to cast iron. The wide compatibility with trade-focused accessories makes it incredibly versatile for professional use. However, this high performance comes with trade-offs. The saw is heavier than most, weighing 8.2 pounds bare and 11.8 pounds as tested, and its vibration levels, while manageable, are higher than competitors, which can contribute to fatigue during extended use. One way to ease this is by pairing the saw with an 8.0 Ah forge battery instead of the heavier 12.0 Ah option included in the kit. Milwaukee's supercharger ensures efficient battery swaps, keeping work moving without downtime. For optimal use, many pros combine this super sawzall with the lighter M18 Fuel 2821 or 2822 models. Use the 2722 when aggressive, fast cuts are required, and switch to the lighter model for overhead work or situations where minimizing vibration is crucial. While it comes at a premium price and features a shaft-mounted blade release, its top-tier performance and versatility make it a standout in any professional toolkit.